Today, we're making a creamy, buttery, and incredibly delicious Tahini Semolina Halva, a traditional dessert with an extra twist of tahini for that deep, nutty flavor. Let's get started. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons butter, 3 tablespoons vegetable oil, 2 cups semolina, 1½ cups sugar, 2 cups cold milk, 1 small cup tahini. For garnish, crushed pistachios, chopped hazelnuts, extra tahini drizzle. Melt the butter and oil. In a pan over medium heat, melt 3 tablespoons butter and 3 tablespoons vegetable oil together. Stir well to combine. Toast the semolina. Add 2 cups of semolina into the pan and start stirring continuously. Toast the semolina until it turns golden brown. This should take around 20 minutes. Keep the heat moderate and stir constantly to avoid burning. Once the semolina reaches the perfect color, slowly pour in 2 cups of cold milk, stirring constantly. Add 1½ cups of sugar and mix until the sugar dissolves completely. Add 1 small cup of tahini and mix well until fully absorbed into the halva. Let it cook for another minute, then turn off the heat. Cover the halva and allow it to rest for 30 minutes before serving. This step helps the flavors blend perfectly. Scoop your halva onto a plate, sprinkle with pistachios and hazelnuts, and drizzle extra tahini for the ultimate finishing touch. And there you have it, a warm, buttery, and nutty tahini semolina halva that is incredibly easy to make yet absolutely divine. Serve it as is, or take it up a notch with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Whether you serve it warm or with a scoop of ice cream, this recipe is guaranteed to impress. One bite, and you'll be hooked. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious desserts. Try it out and let me know how it turned out in the comments. See you in the next video!